guys, it's Julia and I'm back with another video for you. Today we are going to do a very extra glam Valentine's Day makeup look with hearts cut out on our eyelids because why not? Let's just jump right into this tutorial before I bore you guys to death. Alright, so the first thing I always do is my eyebrows, and I just used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in taupe, and then I always powder my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo, also in taupe, just to set the pomade in place. And of course, I'm not the greatest at doing my eyebrows, so I had to fix that with a good trusty makeup wipe. From there, I always do my eyes first, so I just primed my eyelids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And the eyeshadow palettes I used for this look are the James Charles palette, which is my new obsession. That's like the only palette I've used lately. And I also took some shades from the Morphe Boss Mood palette. Really, all the colors I worked with for this look were obviously pinks. So first, I just took a fluffy brush and I first applied a very light pink shade from the James Charles palette as a transition shade. And then from there, I went in and I built up the outer edges. Well, basically the whole eyelid kind of. I kind of left the center a little bit bare because I knew I was going to go back in and carve the heart out. So for the heart, I did go back in with the MAC Paint Pot and I just took like a flat curved brush and I tried my best to make both of the eyes even. I did one eye first, as you guys can see, and then I tried to replicate it on the other eye. Didn't go as I had planned, but that's okay. From there, I took the very light pink shimmer shade from the James Charles palette and I set that heart. And then I wanted a little something extra, so I took a Stila glitter eyeshadow, but I just dabbed a little bit of that on top to give it more of an extra pop. And I went in and I did my face. I got the Tatcha primer that everyone has been raving about. This was the very first time I used it, which is why I'm going a little crazy because the first time I dug into it. And then I went in with Shape Tape, and yes, you can see I did finally get my right shade. I went into Ulta and I got some help, so thank you to whoever helped me. Forgot his name, but love you, dude. All right, and then I just blended that in with a good Morphe sponge. From there, I set that with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and then I went in and I finished my under eyes with a flatter brush, and I just took the same pink shades that we used on our eyelid underneath my eye. I did highlight my brow bone and my inner corner with Ring Light from the James Charles palette. It's that white shimmer shade. And then I did bronze my face with the Hoola bronzer, and I took a little bit of blush. A lot of it was from the James Charles palette. It's just like a red shimmer shade in there, but I wanted to go a little bit extra on the bronzer and the blush. And then I did my highlight, and I just used a little bit of face and ring light from the James Charles palette to highlight the high points of my face, mostly on my cheekbones, a little bit above my brow bones, and then of course on the nose and a little bit on the chin. After that, I set my face with the Morphe setting spray. I love that stuff. And then I went in and I did my lashes. Please do not look too closely. I know that they are not applied well and that you can see the lash band. And from there, I used a Smashbox lipstick. It's like a pink mauve nude shade, I guess you could call it. And the look was complete. It is pretty simple, but I did like the way that it turned out minus the lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me and leave any video suggestions you have down below. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. I hope you guys are all having a great 2019 so far and that you have a great Valentine's Day. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!